Have you ever stopped mid-sentence and thought, wait, should I say I did it or I have done it? If yes, then you're not alone. And this video is just for you. Hi, I'm Neha and welcome back to Toon Talk English, where we learn real English in real life. How are you all? I really hope you're doing well and thank you for joining me again today. Today is day 4 of our shadowing practice series, and we're diving into something that confuses almost every learner. Present perfect tense without the grammar headache. But wait, we're not going to teach you rules. We're going to feel the language. I'll say 50 real-life sentences using the present perfect tense, and all you have to do is listen, pause, and repeat after me. You'll start to understand when and where this tense fits, not by studying, but by living the language through voice and repetition. So please watch till the end, because each sentence is like a puzzle piece, and by the final one, it'll all come together beautifully. Are you ready? Let's jump right in.
I've already eaten breakfast, so I'm not hungry. She has just left the room. You missed her by a minute. We've seen that movie before, but I'd love to watch it again. I've never been to London, but it's on my list. He's forgotten his keys again. That's the 3rd time this week. Have you ever tried sushi? It's actually really good. They've already finished their homework, and now they're playing outside. I haven't heard from her lately. I hope everything's okay. We've cleaned the whole house. Now it smells fresh and looks neat. She has just taken a shower, so the bathroom's still steamy. Nice work so far. You're really starting to feel how the present perfect fits into daily life. Now let's keep going. Here come the next 10 sentences. Listen closely and shadow with me. Let's begin. I've already made the bed. You don't have to do it. Have you ever tried this type of tea? It has such a calming taste. She's cleaned the living room. It looks so fresh now. We've just started watching a new show. Want to join us? I've forgotten where I put my glasses. Again. Have they finished their homework yet? Dinner is almost ready. He's never cooked pasta before, but he's giving it a try today. We've been to this restaurant before. The food is always amazing. I've told her 3 times, but she keeps forgetting. Have you taken out the trash yet? It's starting to smell. You're doing a fantastic job so far. By now, you've heard these sentences enough times to start feeling the pattern. Let's keep the momentum going with the next 10 real-life expressions. Repeat after me and speak with confidence. I've just spoken to her. She's feeling much better now. Have you ever laughed so hard that your stomach hurt? They've made a plan to visit us next weekend. I've lost my phone again. It was right here. She's never been late before. I hope everything's okay. We've already decided what to order. Let's just enjoy the meal. He sent the email. Now we're waiting for a reply. Have you met her parents before? They're really kind. I've felt this way before, but I didn't know how to explain it. They've promised to help us, so we're not alone.
We're more than halfway there. By now, your ears and voice are working together, like a team. Let's keep going and explore more real-life sentences. This time about memories, little surprises, and real emotions. Just listen, pause, and speak. The magic is in the practice. I visited that place before. It brings back so many memories. Have you ever felt nervous before a big presentation? She's already left for the airport. We just missed her. I've heard that song before. It always makes me smile. We've made so much progress since we started practicing. He's just bought a new bicycle, and he's so excited about it. Have you ever forgotten your homework and made up an excuse? I've just remembered something funny. Let me tell you the story. She's been really kind to me since the first day we met. We've talked about this before. Let's find a new solution.
You've done so well already, but don't stop now. These last 10 sentences will complete the picture and help you use the present perfect like a natural speaker. Ready? Let's finish strong. I've just woken up. And I'm already thinking about coffee. She's never liked spicy food, even when she was little. Have you ever stayed up all night? Just talking with your best friend? I've cleaned my room, but it still looks messy. They've planned a surprise for Mom, and I can't wait to see her face. I've always wanted to try painting, but I didn't know where to start. We've never been this busy, but it feels good to be productive. He's just sent me the photos, and they look amazing. Have you finished your homework? Or are you still working on it? I've learned so much today, and I hope you have too.
Wow, you made it to the end! You've just practiced 50 real-life sentences using the present perfect tense, without studying grammar, but by feeling the language with your own voice. The more you shadow these sentences, the more natural your speaking will become, because English isn't just about rules, it's about rhythm, experience, and real-life moments. Tell me in the comments, which sentence felt the most useful or fun to you? And if you want to remember these patterns forever, watch this video again tomorrow, even once a day for a week. Don't forget, Day 5 is coming up soon, and trust me, it's going to be even more exciting. Like this video if it helped you, share it with a friend who's also learning English, and subscribe to Toon Talk English so you never miss a day of shadowing practice with me. Thanks for watching. I'm Neha, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep learning, keep repeating, and keep growing. Bye-bye!